Hey guys, just wanted to offer an update on a project I've been working on. Basically, I'm trying to come up with I guess, a safety measure for that case where you forget and leave the light switch on for the either the water pump or for the, in our case, the propane valve solenoid. So um, both of those, if left on indefinitely, can lead to problems depending upon other circumstances. So anyway, so I found this really cool product I've been tinkering with, and now here's I want to show you where we are with it. Okay, so here is my workbench, and first I want to show these two guys. These are each single channel versions of this product, and they have a 2-channel version it's really sleek. Here that is. I designed and printed a case for it that lets me get to the buttons and tweak wires, but still keeps everything protected. This is ABS plastic, and I've got a 12-volt power supply plugged in, DC, and then this switch simulates the toggle switch that we use for our propane solenoid, and a different switch that's for our water pump. So, and then finally, this is the voltmeter. It's in ohms mode, resistance. So the L means that it's basically an open circuit. There's nothing happening. So I'm going to plug this in, and this thing powers up, and you can see here I had this switch on, which simulates one of the failure modes where I forgot that the switch was on. So that just turned the power off to the device that switch was meant to control. So now I'm going to turn that off, and I'm going to power cycle it. Okay, now it's powering up with the light switch in the open circuit position, and you can see there. So there was really no energy spent, but for the really tiny amounts that these LEDs consume, the relays were not energized. So now I'm going to turn on my water pump. We've got a relay click, and then over here we've got an actual value there from our ohm meter. So this is now a closed circuit, and this can handle, each relay can handle 10 amps as a peak. If for whatever reason you need more than that, and there our timer ran out, that was set for 20 seconds, and there we go. So now we're back to open circuit, but my switch is still on, but that's my whole safety measure right there. So now I can do the same thing with the other switch, and you can see right in there I've got a channel 1 and a channel 2 input for this guy, and that's it. Thanks. Appreciate any comments you have.